Hello again, traders. In today's video I'm going to show you how to exchange a mutual fund at TD Ameritrade. In my case, I'm going to exchange the Schwab Value Advantage Money Fund, symbol SWVXX, for the Schwab U.S. Treasury Money Fund, symbol SNSXX. And I'm going to do that for the following reason. This fund primarily invests in U.S. Treasury bills, and these are exempt from state income taxes. Now, this fund pays a tick less yield than the SWVXX does. We'll bring that one up here. So just about 0.1% difference. So what I need to do next is I need to log into my TD Ameritrade account. Okay, I'm on the TD Ameritrade website. I'm going to log into my account. Okay, I'm logged into my TD Ameritrade account. So what I want to do is I want to hover over Trade, bring my cursor down to Mutual Funds, and click that one time. Okay, that brings me up to Mutual Funds. I'm not going to buy or I'm not going to sell, but I'm going to exchange. So we'll click on that. And this is the only mutual fund I own in this account. So I'm going to select Sell right here. And I'm going to do all of it. So I've got all selected there. And this tax lot method, I'm just leaving this as my standard method. So we'll click Continue. Now, since I know the symbol, I don't need to go through the symbol lookup or this fund family, so I'm going to type in SNSXX and click Continue. Okay, now we can review. Okay, step 4, please confirm. So I want to sell all I own of SWVXX in exchange for SNSXX. And there's no fees to buy this, which is good. So I'm going to go ahead and place this order, and we'll see what happens. Okay, that order was received. Now, I am on Central Daylight Time, and generally when I buy or sell the Schwab money market funds, I get the confirmation at 7:30 p.m. local time. So it is just about 1:05 my time, or as you can see up above, I placed this order about 2:02 market time. So I will continue this video tonight when I get the confirmation. And if you enjoy these videos, be sure and subscribe to the channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And we're back. It's about 8:10 Central Daylight Time, and I have logged into my account, and I see that the transaction is completed. I've liquidated my SWVXX, and I have purchased my SNSXX. So we're good to go. Now, the confirmation won't show up probably until tomorrow. I just went into transactions here. You can go to my account, click on transactions, get this information. The actual confirmation will show up in tomorrow's email. So that's all I got. Check out the video shown on the screen. Thanks for watching, and good trading.